Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys. Happy to see you here today. We're going to be doing some paint injections. I've got a bunch of little 10 by 10 gallery wrap canvas, but on sale at Michael's. And I have a lot of deep edge gallery frames. So I thought, you know, I'm going to be heading to Texas soon. We have a little gallery set up there. So I'd make some nice, affordable framed pieces of Kathleen's art. So let's talk about what we're doing. In this container right here, we have a mix of Artist Loft Flow Acrylics in the white and DecoArt Satin Enamel with my pouring medium. We're 1 part Artist Loft, 1 part DecoArt Satin Enamel, and 3 parts pouring medium, which is a big squeeze of GAC 800, 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and it was stirred up really good. Our base coat today is Artist Loft Soft Body in the white. Let me show you that bottle, although I'm pretty sure you all know what it looks like. And then all these colors here, guys, I can't really tell you what they are. They're all my leftovers, and sometimes I mix 2 different colors together. I know that this is Pebeo Studio Acrylics, and that is their green yellow. I don't know what the heck that is, but it's awful pretty. This right here is Golden Fluids Turquoise, but I believe there is also some Artist Loft Cobalt Blue Metallic in there. And this right here, I believe, is Payne's Gray. And this is just a little bit of pearl, but you know what, I don't think maybe I'll use that. I don't know, because I'm going to be injecting the satin enamel. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer my paints. I'm going to do it, I think it's called a dirty pour, where you just pour the paints into the cup and then you flip it over and then you manipulate it around, and then I will do some paint injections. I'm hoping to leave a good amount of negative space on one side, guys. So that's what we're doing today. Apologize for my voice. I feel just fine, but my voice has been in and out for a couple of weeks now. That's why a lot of my videos I'm not talking on. So let's go ahead and put some tunes on, guys. Let's try to make a pretty little painting. Let's get busy.
flower. Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. Say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. Tell me, should I know? Just tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? Tell me, did you know that you'd be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me, should I know? Tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move